person is overweight, has high blood pressure, has mucus accumulation in the throat, etc., swollen ankles, hair thinning, and is constipated. So let's see how we can connect all these. Okay, when it comes to being overweight, is your kidneys and your adrenals and your thyroid. They are compromised. For high blood pressure, is your kidneys and adrenals. For swollen ankles, it's going to be your kidneys. Okay, kidney issue. Kidney, adrenals, and lymphatic system. For the hair thinning, it's going to be causes acidosis, but mostly from kidneys, adrenals, lymphatic system, and the blocked bowels. Okay, constipated is your adrenals, your parathyroid. Okay, and your bowels are constipated. All this, if you see, it's all common. You see kidneys, adrenals, and lymphatic system. This is caused by acidosis. When you eat the wrong foods, the body will produce excess acids or mucus to protect itself. This creates acidosis. Okay, acidosis will mean stagnant mucus and lymphatic system. This lymphatic system holds acids. Acids are going to affect tissue, organ, and glands. It's going to back up and start compromising the kidneys, the adrenals, the bowels, the lymphatic system, the endocrine glands. Okay, so we need to fix this. How do you fix this? Step one, change the diet. Very, very simple. Change the diet. I would be on 100% fruit diet. I would preferably be on a 20 to 30 day dark grape only diet or lemon only cleanse. Okay. Step two, use herbs to help clean and strengthen the cells. Okay. For the hair, we're going to fix the bowels and clean the sinuses. Very important, because when the head sits on the gut, if the gut is not clean, you can't drain acids out. The head backs up with acids. It affects the hair follicles, hair falls. Okay. For overweight, we got to address the kidneys, the thyroid, okay, and the adrenals. And for the swollen ankles, it's a kidney issue. Kidney and adrenals is what it is. Mostly kidneys. Okay, kidneys are not working properly. You're going to have swelling. Constipated is your adrenals, parathyroid as well, and the gut. So we need herbs for all these. So I would use the Fabulous 5, kidney tea, kidney flush, bowel strengthening, adrenal herbs, parathyroid herbs, endocrine herbs in general. I would use circulation herbs. Okay, you need that, very important for the blood flow to the scalp region. So circulation herbs and neurological herbs for the brain and nerves. I would use thyroid leaf tincture, and I'll use an antimicrobial to fight any fungus or bacteria in the body. And that's it. Give it a little bit of time, and you see this is how you address the root cause.